felt weird. This trail's rolling so smooth today. So smooth. Step down here. Don't give up yet. We still got a couple more jumps. Yeah, this has been the most fun trail today so far. Is Byron gonna overcome his fears and tackle Cumberland Brap, or will he let it slip through his fingers to never ride it again? Is he gonna send it? He's sending it. Let's go. All it took was talking about it for a minute. Oh, that's a lot of leaves right there. Definitely was not in the right gear again to clear the double. I mean the tabletop, whatever. The jump that I can't seem to clear. Took that berm long. This part's fun. I'm gonna try to climb out of it. Grab my chain ring, cool. Oh, oh, that's a bumpy one. Watch out for that tree, Matt. And that rock. Okay, can't see the trail. I'll just go over that rock. I'm definitely not going down this trail very fast today because, well, for one, I can't quite see the trail very well. And I've only been down it a handful of times, so not really that familiar with it, but I do know that part kind of scares me. And then this part, for obvious reasons. Oh, that was close. Okay, and they still haven't repaired the trail. It is turning into no trail on that spot. That was pretty gnarly. Oh, that was definitely a strike. Maybe replacing that chainring when I get home. Whoa, that was a slick spot. And some hidden rocks here. And about went off the side of the hill. Would have been the first time. I've done it before.